In this video, I'll guide you through how to group MS project tasks so you can see your work in a much more organized way. We'll focus on using the board view and the group by feature, and I'll explain not just what to click, but why it's useful and what to look out for as you go. First, make sure you have your project plan open. This is the file where all your tasks, dates, and resources are already set up. If you're working in Microsoft Project for the web or a similar online version, you'll usually see a plan selector or a list of recent projects. Choose the plan that you want to work with so we're making changes in the right place. Once your plan is open, you'll want to switch to the board view. The board view is great because it lets you see your tasks as cards, often arranged in columns like not started, in progress, and completed, or by other categories you choose. Look toward the top of your screen for the view options. You might currently be in a grid or timeline view. Click on the option labeled Board to switch into that more visual card-based layout. After you're in Board view, give the page a moment to load all the task cards. Each card represents a task from your plan, showing key details like the task name, assigned person, and sometimes dates or progress. If your plan is large, you might need to scroll to see all the cards. This is where grouping becomes very helpful because instead of a long flat list of tasks, you can instantly organize them into meaningful buckets. Now, in the board view, look for the group by option. This is usually located near the top of the board, often above the columns or in the toolbar. It might appear as a drop-down labeled group by, followed by a field like progress, a bucket, or another category. Click on that group by drop-down. When you click group by, you'll see a list of fields you can use to organize your tasks. Depending on your project setup, you might see options like progress, assigned to, bucket finish date, or custom fields your organization uses. Choose the field that best matches how you want to analyze or manage your work. For example, grouping by assigned to will show columns for each team member, while grouping by progress will separate tasks into stages like not started and completed. As soon as you select a grouping option, your board will automatically rearrange itself. The tasks will now be clustered into columns based on your chosen grouping. Take a moment to scan the board and make sure it looks the way you expect. If it doesn't, simply click the group by drop down again and select a different field until you find the view that makes the most sense for your workflow. You can change the grouping at any time, so don't worry about breaking anything. Grouping only changes how tasks are displayed. It doesn't delete or alter the tasks themselves. Use this to your advantage. Try different groupings when you need different perspectives, like team workload, task status, or upcoming deadlines. That's all there is to it. Open your plan, switch to board view, click the group by option, and choose how you want your tasks organized. With just those simple actions, you can turn a cluttered list into a clear, manageable view of your project.